Hi all, myself Aditya Nina Chinke, and I am here to speak on the topic of the application context and bean factory. Today date is 16th of November 2022. So let us see what is the application context and the bean factory. So so when we want to, so in a project there are n number of types of the classes in it. So to inherit that classes we need to create the object in it. So this creating of object is possible in the less number, if there are only less number of classes, but when there are the more number of the classes, then it is not possible to create the one by one object of each and every class. So in the Spring Framework, these classes are made automatically by the process of the inversion of the control. This inversion of the control gives us the object of the each and every class which has the annotations in it. So with the classes that have the annotation, then Spring gives us the object automatically. So the internal process in creating an object is through the application context and the bean factory. So what is the bean factory? So the bean factory is which produces the object, which creates the object of the class having the annotations in the Spring or in the IOC. So this and the application context is which gives that object that are received from the bean factory, that it gives to the Spring. So the process is that when the application when the Spring when there are annotations in the Spring, then annotations to the classes in the Spring, then the application context gives the order to the bean factory, give the order to the bean factory of the objects to the classes in it. So after giving the order to the bean factory creates the object and gives it to the application context. So the context store that object in the application context, store that object in the container and gives whenever it want. So after giving the objects to the application context provide the object whenever we want in it. So this process is internally happened in it when we use the spring framework in it. So this is all about the bean factory and the application context. Thank you.